A very good morning, my dear children. In today's maths class, we are going to see revise table of 7. Already we discussed last class, right? So we are going to see table of 7 and we are going to do some sums on that. And we are going to see 8 tables also. Are you all ready for today's session? So now table of 7. Now you all know multiplication is a repeated addition, right? So now we see how we got 7 tables. Just see here how many groups we have. Here we have only one group, right? So one time in each group, how many clips are there? Count and tell me. 7, right? So 1 times 7, that means 7 ones are 7. How many times we are having? So 1 times 7 ones are 7. Here we are having only one group, right? So 7 ones are 7. Now see the second one. How many groups we have? Here we have 2 groups. In each group we have 7, right? In each group we have 7, 7, right? So now we 7. How many times? So 7 twos are. You're going to add all together. In each group we have 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So 7 twos are 14. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 7. We are having 2 times. So 2 times of 7 or 7 twos are 14. Then third one. See how many groups we have. Here we have 3 groups, right? So here we have 3 groups. Then each group we have 7, 7. Just count and you just count and check. In each group we have 7, 7. So 3 times we are having 7. Add all together 7 plus 7 plus 7. So it's 21. So 7 threes are 21. What is the meaning? You're going to add 7 plus 7 is 14. Again add one more 7. So 3 times we are going to add 7. So 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21. Next, fourth one. Just see how many groups we are here. Here we have 4 groups, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. In each group we have 7. So 7 times we are having 4. 7 fours are. Add all together 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. Next, just see how many groups we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Here we have 5 groups. In each group 7, right? So 7 we are having 5 times. 7 fives are. Add all together. In each group we are having 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. So 7 fives are 35. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. Next, just see here we have 6 groups, right? So 6 times we are having each group we have 7. So 7 6 are 7 we are having 6 times. So we are going to add 7 6 times. 7 7 7. So we are going to add 6 times. So 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. 35 plus 7, 42. So 7 6 are 42. Next, 7. Just see here. Here we have 7 groups. Next we have 7 groups. In each group we have 7, right? So 7 sevens are. Already we are having. Now again we are going to add one more 7. So till this we got 42. 42 plus 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. Next, just see here how many groups we have. 8 groups. Each group we have 7, right? So 7 eights are 7. You're going to add how many times? We are going to add 8 times. 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have 9 groups. In each group we have 7. So 9 times we are going to add 7. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. Then last one. Here we have 10 groups. Here we have 10 groups. So 10 7s are 70. Shall we say the tables now? Yes. Repeat after me. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. So practice, revise well this table 6 and 7. Now let's move on to the sums. Fill in the boxes. We have some empty boxes, right? Now we are going to fill in that empty box. Now we have one. No, we know one property. When we change the order also, the product will be the same, right? 5 into 4 is also 5 into 4 is equal to 4 into 5. Now first 5 into 4. Now I am going to change the order. So first I am multiplying 4 by 5. 4 into 5. Then the product will be same. 5 4 is also 20 and 4 5 is also 20, right? So accordingly we will do the sums. So first one, dash. So this box we are going to fill into 7 is equal to 7 into 3. 7 into 3. Now tell me what is missed out in this. Now change the order. Here we have, so here we know this answer, right? So 7 into 3. Now change the order here. So this 3 will come front, right? So 3 into 7. If we change the order also, the product will be the same, isn't it? So what is missed out in this? 3. Just see the next one. So in this we have 7 into 3. Now change the order. So 3 into 7. If we multiply 3 into 7 also, the answer will be the same, right? So 3 7s are or 7 3s are. Which one is easy for you? So in the box you write 3. So 3 7s are or 7 3s are. What is 7 3s are? 21. Write down 2 1 21. 7 3s are 21. Important property is when we change the order also, the product will be the same. Now let's move on to the next sum. 2 into this box we are going to find out 2 into dash is equal to 7 into 2. So here we know 7 into 2. Now shall we change the order now? 7 into 2 or 2 into 7. So write down 2 into 7. In the empty box write 7. So 7 is missed out. So write 7. 2 7s are. 7 2s are is also equal to 2 into 7. 2 7s are, right? So 2 into 7. Just see here. I am going to change the order now. So this is missed out. So 2 7s are is equal to 7 2s are. Now tell me 7 2s are. Multiply or else 7 plus 7. 14. 7 2s are 14. Shall we move on to the next sum? Understood. Main properties, when we change the order, the answer product will be the same. So in the second sum, here 2 into dash is equal to 7 into 2. Now in this change the order. So 2, 7 into 2, 2 into 7. So answer will be 7 2s are 14. Next sum. Now 6 into dash . 6 into dash is equal to 7 into 6. Now you are going to tell me what is missed out. Here we know 7 into 6. Now change the order and tell me 7 to 6. If we change the order also, the answer will be the same, right? 6 into, what is missed out here? Yes, this 7 is missed out. So 6 into 7. 6 into 7 is equal to 7 into 6. So what is 7 6 are? 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are, in the box you write, inside the box you are going to write that. So 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. So when we change the order, the product will be the same. So 6 into dash is equal to 7 into 6. Here change the order. So 6 into 7. Shall we move on the next one? Yes, next one. 7 into dash is equal to 0 into 7. Now we know this. So now change the order. 0 into 7. Now change the order. 7 into 7 will come front, right? So 7 into 0. The 0 is missed out. So now we are going to change the order. So 7 will come front. 0 will come at the last. 7 into 0. 7 into 0. When you multiply any number by 0, what will be the answer? Yes, 0. 7 will not come. 7 into 0 is 0. Write down 0. 6. So now in this sum, 7 into dash is equal to 0 into 7. Now change the order. So 0 into 7. Now change the order. 7 into 0. So when you multiply any number by 0, the answer will be 0. So write 0 in the box. Next sum, E dash into 5 is equal to dash into 7. In this, in each one we have one is missed out. Just see here. Here we have dash into 5. Whether 7 is there in this. Now this 7 is missed out here, right? So we'll write this 7 here. So 7 into 5 is equal to, here we have 7. This 5 is missed out here, right? So 5. Write down 5 in the box. Inside the box you are going to write that. Inside the box, write that. So now just see 6 dash into 5. So now this 7 is missed out here. So write down 7 inside the box. 7 into 5 is equal to, now change the order. 5 into 7. This 5 is missed out here, right? So 5 into 7. Now tell me 7 5s are? 7 5s are 35. Write down 7 5s are 35. We are going to add 7 5 times. 7 5s are 35. Now last sum. Just see dash into 7 is equal to 7 into 9. Now 7 into 9. So now change the order in this. So 9 into 7. 9 into 7. 9 7s are 63. 7 9s are, 7 9s are, you know 7 tables, right? 7 9s are 63. So here we know dash into 7 is equal to 7 into 9. Now in this we are going to change the order. 7 into 9. 9 into 7. So now 7 9s are 63. Write down 63 inside the box. Shall we move on to the next one? 8 tables. Now today you revise only 7 tables. Next class also we will revise 8 tables. Okay children? Now 8 table. Just see here. How many crayons, how many groups are there? Here we have only one group. How many groups? Here we have only one group. In each group, count and tell me how many crayons are there in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In each group we have 8. So now altogether how many crayons we have? 8 crayons. So one time we have 8. So 8 ones are 8 ones are 8. Second one, how many groups we have? 1, 2. Here we have 2 groups. In each group, how many crayons are there? You are going to count all the crayons. So 2 times 8. That means 8 2s are, count altogether all the crayons. 8 plus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So 8 2s are 16. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 8. We are going to add 2 times. 8 plus 8, 16. 8 2s are 16. Now third one, how many groups we have? Here we have 3 groups. 1, 2, 3 groups. In each group we have 8. So 3 times 3 groups. Each group we have 8. So 8 3s are 8. We are going to add 3 times. 8 3s are, so already we know 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 8 3s are 24. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. Next, let's move on to the 8 4s are. See how many groups we have? 4 groups. In each group 8. So 4 times 8. So we are going to add 8. How many times? 4 times. 8 4s are, already we know 8 3s are is 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 8 4s are 32. Now let's move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 groups. In each group we have 8. Add all together and tell me the answer now. So 8, we are going to add 5 times. 8 5s are, so how many times you are going to add 8? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8 we are going to add 5 times. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. So 8 5s are 40. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. What is the meaning? We are going to add 8 one time. Here we are going to add 8 2 times. So 8 we are going to add 3 times. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. Add 8 4 times. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 8. We are going to add 5 times, right? So 8 5s are 40. Let's move on to the next one. 8 6 are. So just see how many groups we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times we are going to, 6 times 8 is 8. So 8, 6 8s are 48. So we are going to add 8 6 times. We are going to add 8 how many times? 6 times. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 8, 48. So you're going to add all together. This you're going to add. So you'll get 48. 8 6 are 48. Then next we have, just see how many groups we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times we are on each group we have 8, right? So 8 we are going to add 7 times, right? So 8 7s are 56. Just add all together, you will get 56. 8 7s are 56. Now 8 8s are how many groups here? We have 8 groups. Just count where we have 8 groups. In each group 8. So 8 we are going to add 8 times. 8 8s are 64. Just add all together, you will get 64. 8 plus 8, 16. 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. So 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. Next, let's move on to the next one. Here we have 9 groups. In each we have 8. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 groups. Each group we have 8. Already we know till this we 64. 64 plus 8, 72. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So 9 8s are 72. With this 72, we are going to add 8 more. So how many groups? Last we have 10 groups. Each group we have 8 8. So 8 we are going to add 10 times, right? So 10 8s are 80. Add all together, you will get 80. Shall we revise the table one more time? So I'll say, you're going to repeat after me. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Now today revise 7 tables nicely and finish the worksheet. Next class we'll revise one more time table of 8. Okay children? So see you in the next class. Thank you.